Hello Rayzians, good morning. I hope you all are fine, having a good time at your home. Before starting, let us start with some warm up. Are you all ready for it? Let us begin. All of you shake your hands. Shake, 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 shake. All of you now wave your hands. Wave, wave. Good. Now roll your hands slowly, slowly, slowly and fast. Yes. Now you are feeling all energetic. So let us begin our today's session. Kids, Ma'am are going to teach you some animals. Yes, we were earlier also learnt about animals. That were some domestic animals. Now I will tell you about some farm animals that are also called as domestic animals. Farm animals are animals that are used in farms and they help us in some way or the other. So let us begin. We will start with. So now which animal is this? It is a cow. It is a cow. Cow eats grass and gives us milk. So now let us listen to a sound of a cow. So now you had listened a sound of a cow. Moo. Now look, which animal is this? So now which animal is this? It's a buffalo. It's a buffalo. It also gives us milk and eats grass. Now which animal is this? It's a sheep. It's a sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Sheep gives us wool. I hope you have all listened to a rhyme. Baba Black Sheep? Yes, it's a sheep. Let us listen to a sound of a sheep. Which animal is this? Have you listened to this sound? Which sound was this? It was goat. It is a goat. Meh. It gives us milk. It gives us milk. Now, which animal is this? It is a hen. It is a hen. Hen baby is called as chick. Hen gives us eggs. Hen gives us eggs. Now listen to a sound of a hen. Listen. What is this? It is a duck. It is a duck. Have you listened? A duck says quack, quack, quack. Do you want to listen?
Quack, quack, quack.
The duck says quack, 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 quack. The duck baby is called a duckling. Now which animal is this? It is a horse. Horse baby is called as foal. It used in carriages. Do you want to listen a sound of a horse? It's a donkey. Donkey carried load for us. Do you want to listen a sound of hee-haw of a donkey? I hope kids you all enjoyed it, listening to different sounds of different animals. These were farm animals which we all see in our farm. They all help us in some way or the other. Take care and see you soon.